That please. Got that one. This one. And we have this one. These two wires. So can I get right there? Good. I know. I am done. So we got one wire. Can you get me the continuity?
Like this inside there. No.
What are you talking about? What?
This.
Oh, like in there?
Yeah.
Okay. That doesn't seem very good.
It's not making good contact.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's not making good contact in there. Because now it's touching. Now I have it pressed, touching up. Okay? That one's good. Here, hold it. That, stop. Okay, continuity.